bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin gan, bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying at Yesiota, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Yesiota. The program you are watching today is Kini Show television. Kini Show, Kini Show, Ọmọ Ìbàdàn, Kini Show. Kini Show program you are watching today is on Kini Show television. My telephone number is on the screen already. 08108431336. 08108431336 is on the screen. Many people used to call me, send message on WhatsApp. Can I have your phone number? Can I have your WhatsApp number? Some people will come to under comment section. They will be asking for phone number or WhatsApp number. It's on the screen already. Then, don't forget to watch my other station, Baba Oloyin Original Television. The phone number of that station, of that channel is 08054749455. That is for Baba Oloyin Original Television. If you watch that channel, you see me there with many things I posted there. Today, don't forget, I want to teach you how you can use these leaves. These leaves. Yoruba call it ewé ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù. You know you get blood. Ewé ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù. Ewé ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù. Some people call it bleeding heart plant. Bleeding heart plant. Some people call it cocoyam of the spirits because he resembles cocoyam. He get this root plant like cocoa. When you approach it, you will see cocoyam of this type, but we are using it for other things. I want to talk about leaf today. In future, I will talk about the root plants. I mean the seed that he used to get like cocoyam. So this will say ewé ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù. Some people plant it in their compound. They don't know the importance. They don't know the spiritual benefits, the spiritual value. They don't know the importance. They just planted it in their compound like flowers. See, ewé ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù, ewé ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù, ewé ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù, bleeding heart plant. Some people call it the leaf. Some people call it blood of Jesus leaves. Blood of Jesus leaves. I will tell you how you can use it. If you get it in your compound, you are very lucky. Don't forget I'm the publisher of these books. African Power, Honey as a Medicine, Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Woman Problems. All these books, you can get them on your WhatsApp or Gmail or email. We can send the books to you as e-books. We can send the books to you as e-books. You can also get them at Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. I have branches in Lagos State. You can go to Mushin, number 4 Alokolaro Street. Number 4 Alokolaro Street. You can get all these books there. Number 4 Alokolaro Street, Mushin. If you go to Bariga, number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. Number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. Number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. You get our products there. If you go to Surulere, Number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Akerele Street Extension. Opposite Power Holding. Opposite Power Holding. Akerele Surulere. Number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Opposite Power Holding. Akerele Surulere. If you go there, you see our products there. You can get all these books there. You can get our own there. But I always tell some people that you need to buy our books. And those who have bought our books or who are ready to buy our books, we reserve the little kegs of honey for them. Because honey is very scarce. They don't have first honey in the afternoon. Whenever they want to have first honey, it's in the midnight. And who is ready to go to bush in the night? When those who are going in the afternoon, you know what happened to them? The farmers that go to farm in the afternoon, you know what usually happens to them? Then we go to farm in the midnight because of honey. That is why honey is very scarce. So the little kegs we have, we serve it for our numerous customers who have bought our books, or those who are ready to buy the books with honey. My phone number again is on the screen. Kenny Show 0810 84 31 336 0810 84 31 336 is the same thing. You can send your messages here. Send your messages on this WhatsApp number. We normally receive WhatsApp here because we cannot receive calls on the other channel. Then receive calls as well on this. No, we normally accept WhatsApp messages here. If you send message or you send your message on WhatsApp, we will reply you. Yes. If you are in Nigeria, we can send the books to you. We can send the hard copies to you. If you can pay for deliver, we used to use courier service, a very popular and reportable courier service in Nigeria. We used to send our books to them. It's a pity we don't send honey to people. We don't send honey, but we can send books to you within Nigeria. But if you are in abroad, in overseas country, once you can pay the charges, you know it's expensive to send books to another country. We don't send honey, but we can send books to you if you can pay for delivery. So the thing I say I want to teach you today, see these leaves. Ewé ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù, Yoruba call it ewé ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù. Ewé ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù. Look at it again. Look. Yes. They call it bleeding heart plant. Bleeding heart plant. Blood of Jesus leaves. Blood of Jesus leaves. If you get it in your compound, you are very lucky. If you get this plant in your compound, you are very lucky. Witches and wizards will not disturb you. Yes. It's very spiritual. You hear the name. You hear the origin. You know the meaning. Forgiveness leaves. It must show forgiveness for you. When you hear of Ewe Anu, mercy leaf, then you receive mercy from people when you use it. So this is Ewe Ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù. You are covered with blood of Jesus. You might get different plant leaves. So today, if you want to use it, I want to teach you. But this one is broken now. Any leaf that is broken, don't use it. If anybody tell you a leaf is broken, you can use it. Not lie. In a place where I was born, they normally tell us, any leaf that gets holes, don't use it. It will not work. Unless those people don't know what they call absent leaves, can tell you that you can use broken leaves. If you don't get leaves to show samples for people, tell them you don't get. But not that you will be telling them to use broken leaves. Any leaf that is broken, if you use it, you won't see any result. This one is not broken now. See, if you use this type, it will work for you. This one, it doesn't break. When you get quantity of it, if you see anyone that is broken, whenever you go to bush to harvest leaves, or you want to buy the leaves from this herb seller, anyone that you see that is broken, don't use it. It won't work for you. If you use it, you just waste the whole money you spend on that preparation. Do not say I told you. So you will get these leaves. Make sure the one you get, they are not the broken type. You will get some quantity. If it is 7, no, we don't. If it is 8, no problem. If you get 10, no problem. If you get 12, no problem. If you get 5, no problem. But make sure the leaves are not broken. Not the one that has already got wounds, like this one now, that I can see the other side like this. Don't use this type. The one that doesn't get, that is not broken, that is complete. You get some quantity. If you get 5, if you get 4, if you get 12, if you get 20, you put it in hot drink. Put it in hot drink. Any hot drink. I don't say minerals, you. Put it in hot drink. As from the second day, you will be taking it. If you like 2 spoons, you can use the cup of that hot drink to take it. If you are the type that normally drink hot before, you can use the cup of that hot drink to be taking it every morning. You will see money. You will see money. Unexpected money. You see it. Hear the name, you will see money. Then it's anti-witchcraft leaf. When you are using it, witches and wizards will bow down for you. They won't near you. They won't disturb your progress. Yes. I say if you get it in compound, insurance has covered you by the special grace of God. This is, if you don't take hot drink, you are a woman or you are a boy, you don't want to take hot drink. Let me tell you another thing. You put it in a safe place. After 3 days, it will get dried. After 3 days, it will get dried. When you see that it's dried, you pound it. Put it in a very lovely perfume that gets good smell. Put it in perfume. Anywhere you go, people will like you, so much to you. Put it in a lovely perfume. You can only use Bintu for only if you don't want to go outside. When you are having bad dreams, as I said in my Honor as a Medicine book, you can only use it in the night. Bintu lavender. But when you want to go outside to meet people, any medicine you want to use, don't try to use Bintu. You can only use Bintu in the midnight, not in the morning, not in the daytime when you are going to visit people. It's not good when you are in a public bus or when you visit somebody, then they begin to cover their nose. If they put on fan before, they begin to huff fan because of your bad odor. Ekulu. It's not good. Use a very good perfume. Pound only this leaf. Don't add anything. Pound it. Put it in your perfume. If you are using cream, you can pound it. Yes. You can use stone. You can use blender to blend it. Put it in your perfume. Mix it together. Rub your body and face with it whenever you are going outside. But women, ladies, if you are on your period, don't touch it. Some people used to ask questions on that. Anybody, when you are on your own, don't touch anything spiritual. It will spoil. It will spoil. There are some that cannot spoil, but this one, don't use it. Yes. So, don't forget my phone number again, 08108431336. I told you can use hot. You can use perfume. If it is the dry one you get. If you get it in your compound, you are very lucky. You are very lucky if you get it in your compound. Bintu perfume is very good in the night. Very good. When you want to sleep, when you don't want witches and wizards to worry you. Bintu is very good. How to do it, what we had to eat is in my book, honey as a medicine. I even recommended it in this book. But when you want to go outside in the morning, don't use it. But in the night, it's very good. You know, these witches and wizards, they normally operate in the night. So don't forget to watch my other channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television, and my Mr. Last Born Comedy. You will see me there. I posted many videos as well. I featured there, Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. When you press Mr. Last Born Comedy, put Adewusi there, you will see me. I loaded many videos there. And as you keep tuned to that station, to that channel, I will release another video there within 2 weeks to this time. You will see it. You will be surprised. Just subscribe to this channel, Mr. Last Born Comedy, if you have not. When you subscribe, you will see. Anytime you meet me again there, I've loaded some videos there as well. Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. I featured there. I posted some things that you never heard from me before. You will see it there. Don't forget to use this thing as I mentioned. Some people will say, hey, Mr. Alagbaja, he doesn't get 2 hairs. Mr. Alagbaja olórí méjì, Mr. Tamado olórí méjì. Sọ́sẹ̀ tí a fi ń wẹ̀ ni wọ́n fi ń wẹ̀. Hey, jókòó ààrẹ. Mr. A doesn't get 2 hairs. Mr. B doesn't get 2 hairs. Are you using the same type of soup? Go and sit down. You hear more like that on Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. You hear Mr. Alagbaja olórí méjì, Mr. Tamado olórí méjì. Sọ́sẹ̀ tí a fi ń wẹ̀ ni wọ́n fi ń wẹ̀. Mr. A doesn't get 2 hairs. Mr. B doesn't get 2 hairs. Are you using the same soap? Are you using the same perfume? Hello, don't forget the program you are watching. As you are watching this channel, please subscribe and share among friends and relatives. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.